If you want to make an extra $1,000 per month in 2026, these 5 side hustles can help you get there without needing a degree or a big investment. The key to success is not doing everything at once. Choose one method, stay consistent, and focus on improving over time. Welcome to Wealthverse, where we help you make money, grow your wealth, and move closer to financial freedom. Watch this video till the end, because the last method has the highest potential. Let's start with AI content creation. AI is changing the way people create content online. You can start a YouTube channel, Instagram page, or even short-form content without showing your face. Using simple tools, you can generate voiceovers, edit videos, and publish content consistently. Many creators are earning through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links. It takes time, but with consistency, reaching $1,000 per month is very possible. The second side hustle is freelancing. This is one of the fastest ways to start earning online. Businesses are always looking for people who can help with simple tasks like video editing, thumbnail design, social media posts, or basic writing. You can learn these skills for free and start offering your services online. In the beginning, you may earn less, but as you gain experience, your income can grow quickly. The third side hustle is digital products. This is one of the best ways to build passive income. You can create something once and sell it multiple times. Examples include ebooks, templates, or planners. If you sell a product for $10 and reach 100 sales, you make $1,000. There is no inventory or shipping involved, which makes it a simple and scalable option. The fourth side hustle is affiliate marketing. This means promoting other people's products and earning a commission for every sale. You can promote tools, apps, or products that people already use. The best way to succeed here is by creating content around these products. As your content gets views, your income can grow passively over time. The fifth side hustle is dropshipping or e-commerce. This allows you to sell products online without keeping inventory. You set up a store, list products, and your supplier handles the shipping. Your main focus is marketing and finding the right product. With effort and consistency, this can grow into a stable income stream. If you found this helpful, subscribe to Wealthverse for more content on making money and growing your wealth.